The number of weather-related disasters has increased fivefold in the past 50 years.
The soaring cost of eggs is leading more people to try to buy their eggs from local sources.
Nearly 282 million people in 59 countries and territories experienced high levels of acute hunger.
Welcome back to the Prepper's Path, where we explore the journey of preparedness and self-sufficiency. Today, we're diving into how being a prepper naturally leads to becoming a homesteader. Prepping and homesteading share a common goal: self-reliance. As preppers, we prepare for emergencies by stocking up on essentials and learning survival skills. But what happens when we take that mindset to the next level? Let's find out. Preppers focus on being ready for any disaster, whether it's natural or man-made. This includes storing food, water, and medical supplies, as well as having a plan in place. Homesteaders, on the other hand, aim to produce what they need on their own land, reducing dependency on outside resources. As a prepper, you already understand the importance of self-sufficiency. Transitioning to homesteading is a natural progression. By growing your own food, raising livestock, and utilizing renewable energy, you ensure a steady supply of essentials, regardless of external circumstances. Homesteading offers numerous benefits for preppers. Firstly, it provides a continuous supply of fresh, nutritious food. Secondly, it reduces reliance on commercial systems that can fail during emergencies. Lastly, it fosters a deeper connection to the land and promotes sustainable living. Here are some practical steps to start your homesteading journey. Start a garden. Begin with easy-to-grow vegetables and expand as you gain experience. Raise livestock. Chickens are a great starting point for fresh eggs and meat. Utilize renewable energy. Consider installing solar panels or a wind turbine to reduce energy dependence. Collect and store water. Set up rainwater harvesting systems to ensure a sustainable water supply. Building a homesteading community can further enhance your preparedness. Sharing knowledge, resources, and skills with like-minded individuals creates a support network that can be invaluable in times of need. Embracing homesteading as a prepper not only enhances your preparedness, but also enriches your life with self-sufficiency and sustainability. It's a journey worth taking for anyone serious about being prepared for the future. Thank you for watching. Now that you know how being a prepper leads to becoming a homesteader, you should know about preparing for fire season. Stay tuned for our next video on preparing for fire season. Check out our previous videos to enhance your preparedness journey: building your prepper community, how to prepare your dog for SHTF, and why every prepper needs a fruit tree. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content.